Hello, hello, hello. This is your girl DC. And no, I'm not in my kitchen. I'm in the hospital with my little cousin who had a seizure today. And she's okay. She's doing fine. But she wasn't doing fine. And I just had to come on. I'm eating a tangerine. So this is a mukbang tangerine for y'all while I rant a little bit. But you know, I didn't want this channel to be anything about politics or police stuff. But I had to come on here tonight because when my cousin was having a seizure, there was a police officer directing traffic, and her mom got out the car and asked the police officer for help. And he said it was an emergency that he's directing traffic. Did you hear what I said? It was an emergency, and my little cousin is literally, her heart stopped. She was clinically dead. They had to resuscitate her and to bring her back to life. And there was 4 beautiful women, strangers, that got out their car and just happened to be nurses and came and saved her life while that officer stood there and did nothing. I am pissed. I want his name. I want his badge. I want his pension. I want his dog and his goddamn house. I am pissed. How can you say that's not an emergency when somebody is dying? You're a police officer. That's not right. I'm going to the news. I'm not letting this rest. I'm about to cry, y'all. Oh, I'm so pissed. And they want us to give them respect, and you can't give respect to help out a citizen because you directing traffic? That's some BS. BS. And officer, whoever you are, Lenox Road, 400, Atlanta, Georgia, you direct traffic there every day. I'll be seeing you. We will be seeing you. That's all I want to say. Excuse me. I don't want to cry on camera because I am so mad. I am so mad. I'm coming after you. You mess with the wrong person. Because when you mess with my cousin, you mess with me. I'll see you. All right, y'all. I have to go before I say something else that will get me in trouble. I don't want YouTube to block my station. But say a prayer for her. She's doing fine. Y'all remember her? She's in my video. The sushi video. Go back and look at it. My beautiful cousin. An officer. Baldy. I got your number. I got your number. All right, my orange only got 2 slices left. I'll see y'all soon. Thank you for watching. And keep prayers for my family. Thank you very much.